This is the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra. The device isn't available yet. It's going to be IIIF150's flagship, and I believe that it's going to be launching very soon. This device could compete with the upcoming Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, and this phone would also be one of the best rugged phones of 2022. I'm going to show you some of its specs. So first and foremost, the price you've seen here, $139,000. That's not the price of the phone. I think it's just a placeholder price. The real price of the phone will be reviewed once the phone is officially released. So let's see if we could get some specs of this phone. So the display size is going to be 6.78 inches. That's very nice. The refresh rate is going to be 120 Hz, just like the upcoming Ulefone Power Armor 18T and the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. The resolution of the display is Full HD+. The charging speed is about 33 watts. That's very good. It's not as fast as the charging speed of the upcoming Ulefone flagships. The charging speed of the Armor 17 Pro and the Power Armor 18T is 66 watts. So the main rear camera is going to be 64 megapixels. The sensor is the Sony IMX686 sensor. Phone will be having a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. So the battery capacity is 5000 mAh. That's good. As for the SoC, the processor, it states here Helio G99, a 6nm processor, the Helio G99. That's very nice. So the RAM is going to be 8 gigabytes. The onboard storage, okay, the phone would have two variants, 128 GB storage and 256 GB storage variant. The Android version is Android 12. It's going to be 9.39mm thick. The weight is 269 grams. So other features includes Bluetooth 5.0. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. That's a sure fact. It supports fingerprints and face unlock. It supports NFC as well. So these are some of the, or should I say, the main features of the device. And like I said, it's going to be competing with the upcoming flagships from Ulefone, the Armor 17 Pro and the Power Armor 18T. So what are your thoughts about this upcoming flagship from IIIF150? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.